Hey, propellers, it's your pal Props. This is the one. It's time for number 33 in 47 things I learned. This is the one that I write on my mirror in Sharpie. I write a little 33 on my mirror in Sharpie because number 33 reads, making the same bad choice multiple times does not make it a better choice. Let me say that again. Making the same bad choice multiple times does not make it a better choice. And you know what? I'm super stubborn. It is sometimes me and my ego will go on a little trip and we'll travel down the same bad paths that we've gone before, the same darkly lit corridors that led to nowhere. Sometimes I'll spend a long time trying to, fix something that's far beyond repair, and I pour a lot of my effort into something that isn't actually working or good for me. And what number 33 reminds me to do is sometimes it's okay to back up, own up, rest up, reset, and point all of that, pith and vinegar into a better direction. So here's what the consideration challenge is that's attached to number 33. And it reads thusly: what choice is no longer serving you? What positive action will you take to replace it? And so the reason that I have 33 written on my mirror is it reminds me that if I am making a choice that isn't healthy for me or isn't a good expense of my time and energy, that I can take that and let that go. But when I do that, then I have an open space in my life where I can put in something positive. So if there's something in your world that isn't working out for you, it's okay to back up, own up, rest up, let it go. And then in that place, figure out something that really does serve you, that does work for you, because you're absolutely, completely worth it. So if you've got your own, the thing that you're going to let go of, that choice that you've made multiple times and it still isn't working out, let me know. Put some notes in the comment. I'm always really super interested to hear about your celebrations and your triumphs and your victories, the obstacles that we have and how we get over them. This is one of my favorite ways to do it. I hope it also helps you. I'm Dina Ebert, also known as Propeller Girl. You get it. You got it. Go get 'em.